Hi everyone. We get a lot of questions about what difference does it make if the parallel arm bushings are loose or worn when you have downforce pushing down on the row unit. We made this little demonstration to show you just exactly why the bushings are important. So we'll imagine that this is a row unit and it's on these parallel arms. Most new planters today with hydraulic downforce put all of the down pressure on the bottom arm. So while you've got all the pressure on the bottom arm, the row unit is still able to rock back and forth on the top arm. This would be the same if the down pressure, like on the John Deere planters that have airbags, the down pressure was on the top arms. The bottom arms would have no pressure on them, so the slop in the bottom arm would have the same effect. So no matter which way the air or hydraulic pressure is putting downforce on these arms, the opposite arm is still going to be able to move. So if you got pressure on this one, the row unit's going to be able to rock back and forth like this as you go through the field. This is why it's important to have these bushings tight, so that row unit is not tipping back and forth, changing your planting depth, changing the angle of your closing wheels on the back, and it's also letting the row unit ride smoother, which eliminates a lot of skips or doubles in your meter.